Hi, everybody. Welcome. So the reason why have this here is because I realized yesterday, while talking to some colleagues and your other teachers, that some of you guys may not understand what semester-long classes mean. So a semester-long class means that you cover the entire year's worth of work by um, by October 19th. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to show you guys the year. Actually, so here's the year. And so we started over here on the 24th. And the last day to turn anything in or like for your actual transcript grade that counts as semester one. So semester one grade where you get 5 credit units is due on October 16th right here. So I'm going to spotlight that right here. So October 16th. Now, in reality, so let's count the weeks. We only have 1, 2, 3-ish weeks left. If you have not started to do the work for my class, you are in really big trouble and you really need to get started. So, to help you, this is what I'm going to do because I know a lot of you guys got your hotspots. Is EK1 and EK2, okay? Those will be covered on Mondays. So, let me show you the schedule of the week. On math tutoring at 10 o'clock, and I'm going to invite you to the other colleagues, which will have, I believe it's at 11:30. So on Mondays, there will be a lot of opportunity for you to get caught up. In addition, there is going to be tutoring at 8 o'clock at night with Mrs. Acevedo that you may join as well. Number 2, okay, a lot of you guys are missing your Zoom meetings, and it's the reason why you're not doing well. You don't know what's due, you're not used to self-paced work. So what I need all of you guys to do right now is go to your Google Calendar on your phone and make sure that you see your session. So it should say Session A Math, Session B Math 2, Session C. Okay, and the reason why is because you should, at this point, right now, have gone in and said yes. So somewhere on here, see all these people I invited 31 guests because there's 31 people in the classroom and it says 7 people said yes, 2 said maybe. Everyone needs to say yes so it shows up on your calendar. Okay, that's number 2. So number 1 was that all of your work is due by October 16th, and then after that we start a brand new grade book on October 18th. Okay? If you fail the first semester, you will have to retake it. Okay, that's another big thing. You need to realize that if you fail by October 16th, that is a final grade. I can put incompletes for you to work on stuff during the semester afterwards, but I'm going to tell you right now, that's going to be really hard. So get your buns over to Google Calendar. It's number 2, and add yourself, do all that stuff. Or not add those meetings to your calendar right now so you know that at 10 o'clock you have session A, session B is at 11:35, and at 1:30 is session C. Número dos, if you go to classes and you click on right here, to do. So let's click on to do. Let's see what happens, guys. Then you're going to see that you have assigned, missing, and done work. If you go to missing, you're going to see a list. That is your to-do list. And it says this week, next week, and later. These are no due dates because I don't, but you guys should have a ton here. For me, it'll be review, right? Because I'm grading it myself. Now, the next thing, okay, going to classes again. If you click on calendar right here, so calendar, which is here that I just circled in pink. If you click on calendar, you're going to see the list of your assignments by week and by day. This is very helpful. Also, if you go over here in your regular Google Calendar on your phone and you make sure that you add your calendar to your phone. See how it says BMath 2? So if you do that, you're going to see all of your assignments for your session on your calendar. You're even going to, if you click on them, so if you look, check if you're right on remind, you'll see the instructions. So you can get everything on your calendar right there. Boom, Google Calendar, put it in. Also, another thing, if you have stuff you need to do for that assignment, but your teacher doesn't have it here, You can put it in tasks. You can add a task and say, and I'm going to put a task right now. I'm going to say grade session A, B, and C, EK3 quiz number 1. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to press edit. I'm going to put a due date. I want to get that done today by 4 p.m. Organize your life with Google Calendar. Do it, love it, live it. Okay? A lot of you guys do not know how to organize your life. That's okay. Look at that. I got a ping. It says 11:35 because in 10 minutes I have to start teaching session B. Look at that. That's great. So, number 1 was number 1 from this video was your semester transcript grade will be due on October 16th. Okay? That is here, October 16th. Most of your teachers will tell you that it will be very hard for you to learn the year's or the semester's worth of content unless you start right now. So we gave out hotspots on the 14th. There should be no excuses anymore unless you live in the buttload of nowhere, which I kind of do. So there's that. That's number 1. October 16th. Number 2. Okay, go to your Zoom sessions. How do you do that? Well, it's very simple. You go to calendar, which I'm on actually. You go to week. You make sure that you have your North Monterey County School email on your phone. Because guess what? You're not always on your computer, but you're always got your phone. So put it on your phone. And you not only is it on your phone, you have to say yes to it. Right here, see the little yes button? Say yes. Okay? That's number 1 was October 16th. Number 2, get your buttons over to the Google Calendar and make sure it's added. Number 3 is organize your life, which means go to classes, click on classes, and click to do or calendar to figure out what you have to do this week. Get it done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have any questions? Text me, email, beat me, whatever.